Hello friends, welcome back to GN Math channel, and today we are going to discuss about how to calculate matrix multiplication and matrix addition by using a calculator. So if you are ready, let's get started. So the first topic is matrix multiplication by using calculator. So let us consider the example. So here we have a two matrix A and B. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So here we have a 3 rows and 3 columns. Also B is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. So we will see how to find the matrix multiplication by using calculator. So the first step is to change the mode of the calculator. So here we have a mode button. So press the mode button 3 times. So after that it will show equation matrix VCT. So we will need to find the matrix multiplication, right? So you just click the 2. So after that you press the shift 4 icon. So shift 4. So after that it will show dimension edit matrix. We will need to enter the values of the matrix. So you just click the dimension. So press 1. So after that it will show A, B, C. So A, B, C is nothing but A matrix, B matrix and C matrix. First we need to enter the value of A matrix. So you just enter 1. So after that it will show matrix M by N. So matrix A M by N. So it is nothing but rows and columns. So here we have a matrix. It is a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So you just enter. So the value of M is 3. So after that it will ask the N values. So you enter the N value as 3. So after that it will show the matrix A11 value. So you need to enter the value. So here we have a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So A11 is 14. So A12 is 15, A13 is 25. You just enter the values, okay? So here A11 matrix 11 value is 14. So equal to matrix 12. So matrix 12 value is 15. So after that 1 3 value is 25. So 2 1. Here we have a 2 1 value as 32. So you just enter 32. So after 45 27. So after that here we have a A31. A31 value is 64 equal to A32 value is 72. After that A33 value is 33. So you enter the values of the A matrix, okay? So here we will complete the matrix A. So after that you will need to enter the values of B. So if, again you press the shift 4 button. It will ask a dimension edit matrix. So here we need to enter the values of B, right? So you just enter the enter 1. So after that we need to enter the values B, right? So you just click 2. So after that it will ask matrix B. So it is M by N. Matrix B M by N means here we have a B matrix as 3 by 3 matrix, right? So you just enter 3 M. The value of M is 3 and the value of N is 3. So after that it will ask the value of a matrix B11. Here we have a B11 value as 12. So you just enter the value as 12. So equal to 1 2 value is 10, 1 3 is 32 and 2 1 is 27 and equal to 42. So B22 is 42 and 35 equal to matrix 3 1 value is 64 and 92 77. So we will finish the matrix B. So after that we want to multiply the two matrix A and B. So you just enter shift 4. So after that it will ask dimension edit matrix. We need to calculate the matrix multiplication. So you just enter 3. So after that it will show A, B, C. First we need to enter the values of A matrix. So you just enter A. 1. So after that you press multiplication. So again we want to insert the matrix B. So again you press the shift 4. So after that matrix 3, and we insert the B matrix, right? So enter 2. So after that you will get the result. So here matrix, the answer is 1 1 is 2005 and 1 2 is 2930. So 1 3 2 4 5 0, 2 1 3 2 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. So we will get the result of the matrix multiplication. So you just write the answer. The next topic is the matrix addition by using the calculator. So we will see how to find it. So let us consider the same example for the matrix addition. So here we already enter the value of A matrix, B matrix, right? So you just enter shift 4. So after that it will show dimension edit matrix. So we need to find the matrix addition. So press 3. So after that it will show A, B, C. First we need to insert the matrix A. So press 1. So after that it will show matrix A. So after that you press plus icon. So again we need to insert the matrix B, right? So again press shift 4. So it will show dimension edit matrix. Press 3. So after that press 2. So because we need to insert the value of B, so press 2. So here we get the matrix addition value. So here 1 1 is 1 2, 1 2 is 2 5, 1 3 is 5 7, 2 1 is 59, 2 2 is 87, 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. So here we get the matrix additions. Okay. So in this video we have discussed that matrix multiplication and addition by using a calculator. I hope this video is very helpful to everyone, and if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my upcoming videos and share with your friends. Thank you.